Children, these are the small strokes on page number 4. Here you have to keep your color like this on the edge and start moving it like this. Now from here I am going to tell you, make a curve, come down, make a curve again, come down, again may go up, turn, again go up without lifting your color, again do like this, go up, turn, go up, turn. Ma'am is not lifting the color, उठा नहीं रही है ma'am, continuously I am doing. See how to make small curves, small strokes of cursive writing. Children, this is a beautiful way of learning. Yes? See. Now you have to complete this. Again, U-shaped curves. See, complete this line on your own and pick up your green color and start doing U-shaped curves. Running handwriting. You are going to learn running hand. Keeps on running in cursive. Okay? See. Coming down, making a U. Again. Go up. That's it. Complete this line on your own. Now pick up your brown color. You have to do these small strokes, V-shaped. This reminds me of V. You have to start from here, go down, slant line up, again like this, make a V, turn, V, loop, keep doing. These are small strokes of V shape. Go down, slowly you can write. Go down, move up, loop, go down, move up, small strokes. This color is little broad, children. You can do with the sharpened type of colors also. Make a loop with green color. I am having red sketch color, that is why I am doing with red. Make a loop like this. Turn. I think now it's more clear for you. Yes, you can move your color like this. You can do with sketch colors also. See, this is better way of learning. We are learning cursive strokes for a flowful writing, running writing. Yes, ma'am is not lifting the color. Ma'am is making loops. Go up, turn, come back. Yes. Now the next page. This is C type of curve. You have to go up like this, come back from there, again go up, turn like C, go up. It's very important not to pick your color. Okay? You have to keep moving like this. Come back. See, I am going up, making a C, coming back from the same, again going there, coming back. This reminds me of C type of curves. C type of curves. Yes? Now, you have to complete this line on your own. Start doing these O type of curves. See, I'm doing. Going like this, coming back, again go and make a loop. Very carefully watch. You have to go like this, come back like see, go up, make a turn. This is very important. See, like this. Again, go, come back, go up and make a loop. Again go up, make a loop. Again go, make a curve and loop. Don't forget to make the loop. Okay? Make C type of curve. You have to follow these steps, children. Otherwise, there is no use of learning this. You have to come back properly. Again move up. Go like this. Turn like this. This is very important. You have to follow the steps. Okay, children? Otherwise, learning cursive is not possible. Okay? Now you have to complete this on your own. Now I am going to show you L type of curves. See, this reminds me of L type. Slant line up, come down, slant line up, turn, slant line up, turn. I am enjoying it. This is my favorite. See, these are the strokes, cursive strokes. You have to come down, touch the bottom, go up in a slant way, come down with a loop, again go up, turn it, come back, again do it like this. I'm enjoying roller coaster ride. Yes? Type of. Yes? See how nicely ma'am is moving her fingers and the color. But the palm of ma'am's hand is resting on the surface of the book. Ma'am's palm is resting on the surface of the book. See, you have to complete this line on your own. Ma'am's palm was resting on the surface and ma'am was moving her fingers while doing cursive writing. Okay, children, bye-bye.